This Odoo training video is prepared by Unicom ERP division of Repeater Technology and Communications Company, an Odoo partner. If you need any Odoo support, please contact us. The Odoo ERP package here we are going to discuss is a customized solution for Saudi Arabia. Today, we will check how to create and set up a work center in the manufacturing module of Odoo 15. As we know, in manufacturing, we may have to do a lot of processes to get finished products. Each process will require different types of equipment and skills. So, it is really important to set up multiple physical spaces for each specific task. In Odoo 15, when we click on the manufacturing icon, the page opens with an overview of the work center. The work center means a place where the specific process takes place. So, we can create multiple work orders or multiple operations and execute them in work centers. Here you can see there are two work centers created already. And these work centers are ready to be used. But to better understand what they are and how they work, we're going to create a new one. So I'm going to go to Configuration, Work Centers. And I'm going to click on Create. Now, the work center that I'm creating here will be meant to be the alternative work center for our assembly line work center. So I'm simply going to call it Alternative Assembly Line. Alright. And then I'm going to make a short code for this work center as well. And I'm going to say AAL for the short code. I can even add the working hours. That should be applied to the specific work center. And then I have some other information which I can add in the General Information tab as well. So for example, we have our time efficiency, which is the expected duration of a work order at this work center. So for example, if the expected duration of an operation is 60 minutes, and here the time efficiency is 100%, then it should take only 60 minutes. However, if the time efficiency is 200% for this work center, then it will take only 30 minutes. Okay. And if at any point you aren't really sure what a field does, you can always hover over it and you'll have a longer definition or explanation right there. So if at any point you're going through Odoo and you're not sure of a field, you can always try to see if there's a definition added by hovering out over it. So for example, for capacity, it says number of pieces that can be produced in parallel. So, like this you will get the small definitions. Alright. The capacity means how many items can be produced at the same time. Then we have our OEE target. OEE is obtained by calculating the availability, performance, and quality of a work center. And here is your setup time, which means the time required up the work center before production. I will add 15 minutes as setup time. And cleanup time, which is the time required for cleaning the work center. Now we shall give the working cost of the work center, say 15 per hour. And, here you can give a description if want to. Then I'm gonna save. Now you're gonna notice that I have some smart buttons here. And there I don't have any data yet. But this will help us keep track of what's happening with our specific work centers. So, once I start going through operations using these work centers, then I'm gonna have some data added here. Alright. So, I have my 3 work centers. And if I go to my manufacturing dashboard, I'm actually gonna have an overview of all of my work centers. And I will have this overview once I activate that option in this settings page. Okay. Before that I would see my manufacturing orders that I need to do, but now I have this beautiful overview. And I have all of my settings which I can quickly access here as well. I might reports, actions, and then I can access the actual settings page easily from this overview. Alright. That's all in this session. Thank you for watching this video.